Welcome, guys, to my channel. My name is Michael Odiba, and this is Fire VIP. This is one advertisement platform that has been paying for more than 3 months so far that I've known, and is still paying. And this is how to make money on this platform. I'll be explaining in this video. If you are new to this platform, to this channel, you kindly subscribe to this channel to get notification bell to get notified whenever I drop a new video like this on how to make money on all these platforms that are paying currently, and I have been able to make money through them. So guys, we are welcome once again. We talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about affiliate marketing, passive income with your mobile phone. I'm making video with my mobile phone, explaining to you what I do with my mobile phone to make money as well. So follow through and then let's see what the outcome is. Recharge. Now, how to make money on Fire VIP. Step 1, you need to recharge. You need to recharge and rent an advertisement machine. Watching advertisement every day to complete tasks to make money. It takes only 30 seconds to complete each task in a day. That's all you need to do. Then 2, each level of our advertisement machine can be rented, and each person can have up to 14 advertisement machines at the same time. They will work together to help you make more money. 14, you can rent 14 at a go. Number 3, high the higher the level of the advertisement machine, the more money you can make. Now, watching advertisement every day, there are levels of advertisement machine you can rent. They have one of 4,000. So imagine somebody that is using 4,000 and somebody that is renting the one of 40,000. You know now, you understand the difference now. So that is the difference there. Description of each level of advertisement machine commission below. To rent a high level advertisement machine to earn more commission reward, you can rent a high level advertisement machine by recharging the higher the advertisement machine level. The higher the commission you get for watching advertisement every day. That is it. Now, A level renting, this is it. You get terms of use for 365 days. Commission is 200 naira daily, and the renting is 4,000 naira. So you see the difference what I'm saying now. So the level of the AI of the advertisement machine that you rent determine how much you earn on a daily basis. So somebody that is earning 200 naira on a daily basis, then let's watch out for the second one. B level renting is 16,000 naira. Terms of use is 365 days, that's 1 year, and your commission on the daily basis is 850 naira. So you understand what I'm saying now. C level, you have 40,000 naira, like I said, and you have 2,000 on a daily basis, and you have 365 days. Same 365 days with the same person that is renting 4,000 and 16,000. Then the D level, this is the D level, it gives you 9,500 naira daily, and it's same 365 days, and it's 160,000 naira. Terms of use 365 days, 160,000, and you are making 9,000 naira daily. Do that for 30 days, you almost gotten your capital back. That is it. Now, E advertisement level goes for 320,000 naira. Terms of use is 365 days. Commission is 20,000 naira daily for 350,000. Do that by 25. 20,000 daily times 25,000, 25 days. You know you already break close to even with your capital. So, last but not the least, F level will give you 63,000 naira. Let's say 64,000 naira daily, and it's the same 365 days for terms of use. So the commissions is massive. 365, quick recharge and rent high level advertisement machine to earn more commission. Now this is the graphic here. You can see now when you rent, there's a free account. Yeah, there's a free account here. You are not renting 30 days, you are earning 100 naira daily and 200 NFC. They have their own token called NFC, so you can earn every day for free. It's guaranteed. So you can pick a link and try to earn every day, but withdrawal starts from 4,000 naira. on a free account. So you must make up to 4,000 naira, 100 naira daily before you can make 4,000 naira. You know how many days it is. So that is it. So that is the graphic there. Then we move now. You can see this is one of my downline that made the withdrawal 4,000 naira. You can see that actually these guys are paying. I have a video on the channel, and this is the receivers. It takes 24 hours to get payment. So you can see there's a charge attached to it, the charges attached to it. So that is it. That is the proof. That is how you can earn commission on Fiverr. Invite people. When you tell people, just like you're watching the video, it's not a referral commission there about, but when you tell people to join your team, share your invitation link and friends, register free friends, and they will join your team. Each of your downline rent an advertisement machine and watch the advertisement machine to complete the task. You get a percentage of that commission. So that's another way to make money. It's not compulsory. I'm saying it now. It's not compulsory for you to invite people before you earn. It's not compulsory because there's a product. The product is advertisement machine on Facebook. They are writing advertisement on Facebook. So it is not compulsory for you to earn through network. But if you do that, you are making extra cash for yourself. Invite A to join the team. A is your level 1. Okay. B to join the team. B is your level 2. They have level 1, level 2. I'm explaining that. B, invite C to join the team. C is your level 3 offline. So they are off your ladder and they are offline. You earn from there. You can gain 600 invitation reward for every downline recharge, any amount you make. One offline recharge 600, 10 offline recharge 6,000, 100 offline recharge, that is the structure of their affiliate, 60,000. 1,000 offline recharge is 600,000 to 6 million naira. Hurry up invitation. There is a new promo that is currently going on. I must say sorry, in celebration of 20 million. So this platform has done 20 million US fund round. New referral campaign is now available. So this is where you get it from. This, they are celebrating this new fund that's come into the system they have made, and they're trying to give out to affiliate those who decide to market. And that is what I'm telling you now. Referring a friend to rent an advertisement machine get you 10% cash reward of the friends renting, and a cash coupon which of a 10% advertisement machine rent. The downline rent the advertisement machine for many times, you get multiple corresponding rewards. So if they keep renting again and again, you are earning on that particular account as you go. The cash reward will directly reach the account balance. So if they give you cash rewards, you reach your account balance and double your account balance. The cash coupon reward can be used to rent advertisement machine, and the corresponding cash reward amount will be deducted when you rent advertisement image. So if you get 4,400 naira, for example, cash reward, they give you 400 naira coupon. So that 400 naira coupon, if you accumulate it, then if you accumulate that coupon, you can actually use it to rent another machine. So if you are renting another, you can't have access to that same machine again. You can rent a higher machine. For example, if you have a 4,000 cash coupon, they can rent a level for free without paying any amount. So instead of paying that amount, but if you have a free account, you cannot do this. So you need to have a funded account, a recharge account first for you to have access to this. So let me see that example. If you have a return a level, so if, for example, if your referral rent a level, you can get 4,000. 10% of 4,000 is 400 cash bonus. 400 cash bonus. So you understand that? Plus cash plus 400 cash coupon. So this is same thing. The same is 10%. All of them 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. So you understand now? So imagine you have somebody that does E-level recharge, gives you 32,000 naira. You can use this cash coupon to rent a ad machine again on the platform. So that is just it. So that is just hurry up. I recommend offline to rent advertisement machine to earn invitation bonus daily. This is it. 10%, for example, just like I explained now. This is the activation rule. When your friend rent an advertisement machine, you get 10%. 10%. It's about 20% you get for that. So guys, this is their reward. You can see here the coupon and the cash reward. Here, 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 here. 16,000 cc, 32,000, 32,000. That is 11. 96,000, 96,000. Then super ad machine, I will explain that in my subsequent video, because I'm not using super, I'm using A level machine. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel, like bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video. And this, my link is going to be in the description of this video if you want to come on board. I have videos, other videos I've explained better how you can earn again too. And thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.